Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge and Print Storage, and today we're looking at 2016 Ram 3500 Laramie. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy comes in the brilliant black and it looks awesome. You do have those right there, they look really cool as well. You do have the black grille and it looks awesome. You do have a couple tow hooks up front here in case you do need to tow something around. Plus you do have the bi-function projector style headlights with your fog lights just down there. Now coming around the side here, you do have 20-inch rims with Firestone tires, and there's still lots of tread left on them. It'll get you going where you need to go. Those rims are in the black and it looks really nice. You do got the running boards along the bottom to help you up into the vehicle. And then you do have heated exterior mirrors. They are the tow mirrors as well. It'll help you look all the way back. You do have these guys here, which are some storage containers, so you can just press this in. As long as it is unlocked, it will open up just like that. And then you got some storage room just in there as well. It is a 6-foot box. You do have your backup camera right there. You can open this guy up, and it does have the bed liner on it, which is very nice. And it does have the easy down tailgate, so it won't go slamming around. And there's a lot of room back here, and it won't be getting scratched up. It looks awesome back here. Okay, we got our keys here, so let's take a look around. We got 2 presses to unlock. We got 1 press to lock, and you got 2 presses for your remote start, which is very nice, especially when it's cold like it is right now. It'll get it nice and toasty warm for you. Now, if it is locked, you do have your key on your person. You can just put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. It does have proximity keyless entry. Plus, you can press the button to lock it. Okay, on your door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks with a little bit of that chrome accenting there and a little bit of that wood accenting right here. You got the Ram logo, bit of storage, bit more down here, plus you do have some cup holders. And then over here you do have the controls over your lights, so you got the auto, the off, the daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights in the middle, and then you can control your in-cabin lights there. That guy there is the controls over your high beams and your windshield wipers, as well as your turning signal. And this guy does move your pedals up and down, or in and out, so you can get a little bit closer. And then you do have the controls over your seats here, so backward and forward, as well as you got the tilt, you got the seat memory, and your lumbar support. Okay, on the inside now, keys are in my pocket, so foot on the brake and press the button and it will start right up for us. Now, in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our diesel gauge and our oil life, and we also have our exhaust brake. Now, I do have the park sense off there. It is telling me that. As well, you can see in the center there, we do have our radio station, as well as how cold it is outside and how many kilometers, which is only 32,000. That is pretty much nothing, very low. You can also change that from your speedometer to your vehicle info. You got your fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You also have your trailer tow options there, and then you have your audio, as well as your stored messages and your screen setup, and you can do all that stuff through there. It's very nice. You have all that controlled right from here. As well, you do have your voice recognition, and you have your call out button. And then you also have your horn in the middle, and then you have over here your cruise control options. This guy is your gear shift, so if you do just push your foot on the brake, put it down or back up. When it is in reverse, you do have your backup camera. Now over here we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM. Then you also have your media tab here. You have media you can hook up through USB, through your aux cord, through Bluetooth, or an SD card. You have your controls over your heated seat, as well as your passenger's heated seat, vented seat, heated steering wheel. Then you can look at your backup camera and your settings and all that. You got all your apps here, you can access all that. You have your climate control, so you can change all that. It is a dual climate as well, so you and your passenger can have different heats. You have your navigation, you can just hit the view map and you can see where we are in Wreck Place. Then you do have your phone options there as well. This guy down here is the control of your 2-wheel, your 4-wheel lock, and your 4-wheel low. And then you have your volume up and down, your screen off, your hazard lights, your back button. You have your browser, as well as your enter button. Then you have your AC, your circulation, your heat up and down, the power up and down in the center there, plus your auto. And then you have your front and rear defrost. And then down here you got your trailer tow options. You have your heated seat, vented seat, heated steering wheel, vented and heated seat for your passenger. And then you got your traction control, your tow and haul, your exhaust brake, and then your park assist, your front and your rear. And then you can have a little bit of, you have a plug in there, a little bit of storage here, and there's another plug-in over here, as well as some storage in here, and a USB plug-in over there. In the center here, you do have your armrest. It has 3 cup holders. You got on the inside, you have some coin holders, as well as you have an SD card slot, an aux cord, a USB, and a 12-volt plug-in. You can also lift it up, And you got another seat underneath there, so it does seat 6 people altogether. And then there is another handle right under here, and you can lift that up. And you got even more storage under there, plus you got a bit of storage right here. You can close all those up just like that. And then you do have your dual glove boxes. So you got your top one up here and your bottom one just down there with your owner's manual in it. And then up top here, you do have controls over your sunroof here. And then this one does open the back window. And then this one is your universal garage door opener. And there's your sunroof, and it looks awesome. Gonna let in lots of light. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now you do get that same wood accenting here with the chrome. You got control over your own windows. And then there's a bit of storage here and a bit more down here. It is leather as well back here, and it is very nice. You can also pull this guy down if you don't have all the people sitting back here, and you got some cup holders as well as an armrest. Lift that back up. You can open this guy up, and you got these here, which are very nice. You fold these down just like this, and something can sit on top of it, and it won't be rolling around. It'll be very safe, and it'll be sturdy and flat. Or you can fold it up, lift this up, and there is some storage just underneath there as well. On the other side, it's exactly the same, except there is a subwoofer in here, so you can blast some music and get some bass going. You also have some storage right underneath here, right there. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2016 Ram 3500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.